This is the second Xbox One S white controller that I'm going to destroy. The last time it didn't go so well, so hopefully this time around with this Sledgehammer I'm going to have better luck. Destroyed. These things can actually take a pretty good beating, and it's interesting to see how they actually break when you hit them so hard with that sledgehammer. Notice this, the case just cracks in the middle, but on the front not much other cracking is happening, and then on the back it's mostly where those additional parts can come off by themselves anyway. So I'm going to try it again on another controller sometime soon.